guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of styling videos, try on haul, occasional motherhood content, lifestyle content, occasional beauty content as well. And today I have a huge Amazon haul for you. I have clothing, I have shoes, I have accessories, I have quite a bit of variety in this video, so it's not mostly clothing hauls like I normally do. So because I have so many items I want to show you guys, I'm going to go through them quickly because I don't want to bore you and I don't want this video to be like an hour long. Before we get started, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up if you love Amazon fashion and Amazon hauls, basically anything Amazon. Give this video a big thumbs up. You can also turn on your notification bell so that way it'll notify you whenever I upload a new video, and you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you like. Everything will be linked down below in my description box as per usual, and yeah, let's get this video started. So I think I'm going to actually start off with shoes this time because I always start off with clothes, so let's switch it up a little bit. By the way, you may be hearing some background noise throughout this video because my husband is away and he usually watches the girls while I film, but again, he's away, so I have both girls in their room on their tablets. No shame at all. Moms use tablets. Just please bear with me while I film this video. Just daily mom life. But yeah, back to these sandals. These are highly loved. These are the new Steve Madden sandals. I don't know what they're called, but again, everything is listed down below in my description box. And I ended up going with this beautiful pink color because I initially wanted the tan color, but I was like, why am I going to get another pair of like nude, beige, tan shoes when I have so many? So I decided to get a pop of color, and I actually really like it. So I do have the ones from last year, the ones with the strap around the ankle. I love those. I wore those so much and they're still holding up well. So I have a feeling these are going to be the same great quality and they're going to hold up well. And honestly, I prefer these over the other ones because these are more convenient. I don't have to worry about doing up the strap. I just slip my foot into these, and yeah, I really like them. I love the gold studs throughout this shoe. It's beautiful. I love the little square toe. It's so pretty. I highly recommend it. It is very thick, so it's cushioned. It's not like a flat thin shoe, nothing like that. So I do highly recommend this. I do find that it runs true to size as well. There's a dress I'm going to show you later that I think would match these sandals really well, and these just give you a pop of color. So if you're wearing like an all black outfit or an all white outfit, an all beige outfit, I think throwing on these sandals would just add a little bit of fun to it, like, you know, just a little bit of color. Next up we have these sandals, which is also a slide version, and I love this little quilted detail. I will say it runs true to size as well. The only thing with this one that I'm not particularly in love with is that it is a little bit narrow. So if your foot is on the wider side, don't get these. But if you have a slender to medium width foot, like I feel like mine is a medium width, I don't feel like it's wide, but it's not like a slender, I don't have slender feet, so I feel like I can get away with these. So that's basically the only complaint I have about these shoes. Other than that, they are beautiful. They do have like a little bit of cushion here and a little bit of cushion there. Honestly, they kind of look like something I would have bought at Zara, so I really do like these. The quality on this one looks really nice. I think this is like a statement shoe, just like the last one. So here's a closer look of it. This is the braided detail. That's the side profile. I do recommend these. Again, just beware of the narrow fit. Okay, so next up is an essential shoe. This is part of Amazon Essentials. This is just a basic black heel shoe, which I really like because you can pretty much wear this with anything. The heel is not too high, so again, you're not going to be uncomfortable like the usual high heel. It does have a slip-in feature. So honestly, I do prefer a square toe or a pointy toe, but I'm not mad about these. I think these look really nice. I think it goes well with the shoe. Honestly, I feel like this is one of those items that should be in your closet. It's a staple shoe that will go with so many outfits for so many different occasions. Honestly, if you're going to get something from this haul, I would highly suggest getting a staple piece like this. This is just like a capsule wardrobe shoe. So yeah, I highly recommend these, and they do run true to size as well. Next up is a shoe that both of my daughters have something very similar to, and I always wondered why don't they make it in adult sizes. So when I saw these, I just had to get them. So These are pretty much just like water shoes, so you can wear these on the beach, you can wear these to the park, around the pool, things like that. You pretty much just wear them as is, and they're supposed to help you, you know, not slip and slide around and fall and all that stuff. So this is like perfect for the beach, perfect shoe for like if you're going to a water park. So like I said, they make these in kids versions, babies, toddlers, all the time, and they do work. I do have them for my kids, so why wouldn't I get an adult size? This shoe comes in so many other colors, a bunch of different colors. This is a unisex shoe, so I did pick this up in a women's 8, which is equivalent I think to a men's size 6. So I do feel like these fit a little bit snug, so I'm going to exchange them for a half size bigger. So they do have half sizes, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to size up half size in this, and I think the fit will be perfect. So next up we have this beautiful hat, which is really great quality. I'm actually surprised at how good the quality is for the price. I don't list the Amazon prices up on my screen because Amazon's prices fluctuate all the time. So at the time, I think this hat was priced around $15. So I wasn't really sure what to expect, but when it came in, I was so surprised at how sturdy it is, how thick the material is. I definitely feel like this will keep you shaded. I love the little ribbon around it. This comes in different colors. It comes in different like styles, but pretty much the same concept. So I thought this would be really cute to pair with those brown slides that I showed you and a white dress that I have to show you coming up. But let me just like put it on really quickly to show you. So that's what it looks like on me. I don't think it really goes with this outfit. Well, it might. This is actually a lounge t-shirt from Walmart, and I was supposed to change out of it for this video but didn't. So yeah, this hat will work so well right now, spring/summer, but I also feel like this hat would transition really nicely into the fall time as well. So next up I have 2 bags to show you. The first one is a crossbody bag, and I just thought this is the cutest thing. Can you tell I like rattan and like straw material and pretty much everything, that very like boho kind of look. I'm really into it right now at the moment. I think it's super, I don't know, like effortless and pretty and like chic at the same time. So I'm really into this type of stuff right now. This little pom-pom here is detachable, so you can take it off if you don't like it. It also comes in different colors as well. I believe this bag also comes in a darker color, the same type of material, just a darker brown. So it is magnetic. That's how it opens up, and it does have one pocket there and one larger pocket here. So this is a really nice like date bag, or just like a running errands bag if you want to be hands-free. The strap here is also adjustable, which is really nice. I do like the structure of this bag. I feel like it is sturdy. It's lightweight, but sturdy at the same time, and again, very affordable. I think when I purchased this, the price was $20 or $18, something like that. So yeah, very affordable. And this strap here is like a faux leather material, and it does have some stitching. So next up we have this tote bag, which says hello weekend. You probably have seen so many of these because these are like a look for less for the Saint Laurent bag that's similar to this. I believe Celine has one, or Chloe has one as well, but this is a very affordable version. This is like $15 on Amazon. It does have this button here which you can undo with this little string, and it's a pretty spacious tote bag. So I would say this is perfect if you're going shopping, if you're going grocery shopping. You can fit quite a lot in here. That's what the back looks like. Sorry, my phone's going off. My sister-in-law actually ended up picking up the girls earlier than I thought, which helps me out so I can finish filming this video. So yeah, back to this bag. This bag is also very lightweight, so it's perfect. The straps are sewn on here. Let me give you a closer look, and this part here is Velcro, so you can also fit like a few things in there as well. This bag is super cute. That I think it'll still match your outfit and look really cute, even though it's just like a little shopping tote bag. So next up, let's talk about these earrings. So these come in a pack of 4, so you get 4 different kinds, and again, that same like straw rattan material style. I really like these ones. They're super lightweight, and they're going to go with a lot of outfits. So this is the first pair. Then let me show you the second pair. So this one is in a lighter color, and this part here is gold, and it also came with extra backs as well. Super pretty, kind of similar to this one that I have on. I feel like I would have to wear something very simple and then wear these earrings, maybe just like a simple top, and then these would be my statement earrings. But yeah, I really like these. Again, very affordable, a pack of 4 for only like $8, so that's a really good deal. These are the last accessory items I have to show you before I dive into the clothing items. So these are a pack of 4. They're hair clips, and these hold up your hair so well. I used this one the same day that I got it, and it just has a really nice grip on your hair. I really like the matte finish on these. They're not super glossy or shiny, so kind of muted at the same time. This one is my favorite. I love the color. You can do like a half tie and like clip it that way, or you can like roll up your hair and clip it in the back. Definitely a comeback from the 90s, but they do work really well and they're just convenient to have. And so now let's move on to the clothing pieces. First up, I have got to show you this beautiful, beautiful dress. The material on this dress is very nice. It feels like good quality. I love that you can wear this off the shoulder or on the shoulder. I love off the shoulder dresses, and this part here is stretchy. It also has this little string right here that you can tie. Very pretty. Love this top. When I took this out of the packaging, I was like, this looks kind of small, but it does fit, and it fits so nicely. It's not like super oversized and flowy. It kind of just looks sleek on your body. It's more of a straight fit, but it just looks so nice. I don't know, it just kind of gives me that like princess wandering through the forest type of vibe. I don't know, it's just really pretty. So I've been seeing butterflies everywhere, and I just had to get this dress, and I think this dress at the time when I purchased it was like $10. This is a dress I was talking about when I said I have a dress in mind for the Steve Madden sandals. This is it. I think it would look really nice with those sandals. This is a midi length dress. I am 5 feet 4 inches, and it goes down past my knees, so it does have like a little square neck right here. Very cute. This is what the back looks like. So as you can see, the pattern just continues all the way around. I don't know, I just thought it was a fun little dress. This one might be a little bit see-through, so just wear some boy shorts, nude underwear, Spanx, whatever you wear under this, and you'll be fine. So I have been eyeing this dress on Amazon for like a year and a half now. I don't know why. I just randomly saw it one day and I was like, oh my god, that dress is so pretty. Everyone that I looked at in the reviews, the people that posted pictures, they all looked so nice in this dress, and I was like, I have got to try this. I think this would be a pretty like baby shower dress if you are the mommy to be, or if you're attending. This is also a really nice like wedding guest dress because it's super lightweight. The lace does continue in the back as well. It does have a zipper, and this material is very stretchy. So this dress has a mermaid bottom. This part here is mesh. This dress also comes in another version that doesn't include this bottom piece, and also the little trim here is like a satin trim. So if you don't like that, you can just get the mini version. So you can get the mini dress version without this part here. So this part here just makes it into a midi dress instead of a mini dress. So I do like this one. Super pretty. So if you have an event coming up and you want like a show-stopping dress, I think this would be it. Next up is another bodycon dress. This one goes down a little bit longer, definitely past my knees and some. So this one is in this beautiful red color. The material is not super thin. I feel like this is a nice material. Like it's somewhere between light to medium. This dress is also stretchy. The front is a square, the back is a square, and it's just red all over. This one comes in other colors as well. I don't know, I just figured nothing beats like a red dress. Like, if you're looking for like a date dress, I think this would be perfect. I think whoever sees you in this dress is going to like love it on you, because there's just something about red. Red just like pops. So this dress I feel like everyone should get, because oh my god, this dress, the ruching first of all is all the way around. This dress does come in other colors as well. It is very stretchy. Don't let this like little dress against like my body fool you. It's very, very stretchy. This dress absolutely just like, oh my god, it looks so good on. It definitely slims you out because there's ruching all over. It holds you in so nicely. It's definitely a little bit longer than a midi dress, but not a maxi dress. And it also has these straps here, which I do find to be a little bit annoying. I don't know if I didn't adjust it well enough when I tried it on, but I felt like they kept rolling down. But I'm willing to overlook that because I love the way this dress fits. This is something I will have to get in other colors because it's so beautiful. You guys, I'm about to wear this dress to brunch just because I need an excuse to wear this dress. Like, I cannot wait for another special occasion moment. Like, this dress is gorgeous. Like, get this one. Next up, I have two tops to show you. This is the first one. This is in a size extra large, and this is definitely like a look for less dupe for the Free People top, which I did purchase and I ended up sending it back because I didn't feel comfortable on top. I felt like the top portion didn't really fit me that well, but this one from Amazon is like half the price. Beautiful quality as well, flows nicely, and the bust area fits well. I am a 38D and I do like the way this fits. I love the crisscross detail action here. Both straps are adjustable so you can adjust them. This part here is stretchy and that's what it looks like in the back. This top with some jeans is going to look so good. I just love how it flows. Like this top and maybe like the Steve Madden sandals, or you can wear the black heels with this top. Like this top is so pretty. It does come in other colors as well. This top exceeded my expectations. I actually might wear this out today to run errands. I don't care. This is just too pretty to just sit in my closet waiting for a special occasion moment. Like I mentioned in my previous video, every day is a special occasion. Wear your clothes when you get them. You don't need an event to dress up. Next up, we have this black top with this beautiful puff sleeves. I did get this in an extra large. So the extra large in this one, I will say, is more of a like tighter fit. So this is perfect to pair with something that you want this top to be tucked into. Like if you have a tight skirt and you want this top tucked in, this is perfect. If you have on high-waisted jeans, this top is perfect to tuck into that, like specifically like paper bag jeans, you know, where the top is a little bit wavy and you don't want anything over it, you want something underneath it. This is perfect for that. So if you want a more looser fitting top, then I would size up one. This top is perfect for now, for the springtime when it's still a little bit cool. This will make you hot in the summertime, so just keep that in mind. This is more of a spring top, fall top than summer top. But I love the sleeves and I love the fact that it goes down to my elbow. Next up is this beautiful satin skirt, which in my mind I had pictured this skirt with that black top I just showed you and the black shoes from the beginning of this video. But this skirt just fits me a little bit too small. I mean, it fits, but the slit, there is a slit. It goes up way too high on me just because I am a little bit curvier on the bottom, hip-wise, thighs, butt. So like the slit was just way too high. I felt like the slit was so high that if I just moved the wrong way, you could see like my butt cheek. Like that's how high the slit was on me. So I will say the quality on this skirt is super nice. The material is nice and thick. This is a satin material, as you can see, but it's not that cheap thin satin material that kind of clings to you in all the wrong places. That is definitely not what this skirt is, so I do recommend it, but I will suggest if you are on the curvier side, size up in this because this slit is really high. And the last item I have to show you guys is this black jumpsuit. This is a jogger style, so that's what the bottoms look like. It does have like a crisscross front, and this part here does have a button as well, so you have added reinforcements. This is also in a size extra large, and the material is stretchy, somewhere between light and medium weight, so this is perfect if you're like running errands or something like that. And it does have this string here as well, so you can adjust it to make it tighter or looser. This one also has pockets on both sides, which is always a plus, and it comes in different colors. I actually think this would look really cute with the straw hat, the beige slippers, and the tote bag. I think that would be kind of a cute like weekend casual look. So that wraps up this huge Amazon video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell. Everything, as mentioned before, is listed down below in my description box along with my sizing for reference. So yes, stay safe you guys. Have a great rest of your day and I will see you next time. Bye.